The continuous carbonization furnace is mainly used for the carbonization of biomass materials. The equipment is still using the principle of gasification carbonization and adopts advanced smoke-free environmental carbonization process. The whole set of equipment consists of gasification system, liquefied gas gasification machine, purification system, spray tower, cyclone dust removal, water cooling, oil-water separator, fine filter, and control system, control cabinet. The whole carbonization process is automated production, automated operation. Different from the energy-saving and environmentally friendly continuous carbonization machine, it has two significant advantages. First, the main machine has a large volume, high carbonization rate, and strong production capacity, and can be produced 0.3 to 0.8 tons of carbonized products per hour. Second, the cost is low and the practicability is strong, which satisfies the objective requirements of the initial, small entrepreneur's investment in small benefits. The carbonization machine is a carbonized wood material such as wood chips, rice husks, peanut shells, plant straws, bamboo chips, coconut shells, palm shells, bark, etc. Volumes of less than 10 centimeters in size are subjected to dry distillation under high temperature conditions in the furnace. Ideal equipment for oxygenation and high carbonization rates.